Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can manually power on and power off Jabra Elite 7 Pro. So take a look. We can find the buttons right here on the left and the right earbud. And as you can see, that was the yellow color when I click once. It means that this device is activated. So right now we have to click and hold the left and the right together. And as you can see, the left one is turned on and the right one is turned off. So let's click and hold on the left one only. It's also turned off. So right now to activate them, just click and hold together. And as you can see right now, the indicator lights up and it means that we successfully turned them on. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.